stream on building my personal website. So the last time I was doing the stream, I was trying to get the footer part right. I'll try to show it to you now. Alright, so this is the actual production website that I have right now, and I've been trying to convert that to React, and that is open in here. So what I'm trying to do today is I want to make the footer part on the React website look exactly like the website that I built with Bootstrap. In the last stream, we tried to inline all of these elements. That was quite a challenge. I wasn't expecting it to be as big of a challenge, but the problem is some of the Bootstrap classes, they've changed their names, and to inline elements you have to use some other name. I don't remember. I've been on holiday for the last 3 weeks or so, so I don't remember what I specifically did. But yeah, what we will try to do today is just make these icons look like, make these icons look like these ones. Okay, so let's go to IntelliJ. I haven't touched this since the last month or so. So let's see. All right, what is this complaining about? It says background is defined but never used. All right, we can just delete that, I guess. Anyway, and this was taken from my actual personal website, but since this is a module.css file, I don't think we need this bit. So after I delete that, no, wait, can I just, no, okay, let's select all, shift tab, okay. Now what I'm expecting it to do is when I hover over Twitter, it's gonna show a blue square behind it. Yep, that's what's happening. Can I zoom in? No. I'll try to show you if I could. Yep. So if I hover over the Twitter icon, as you can see, it displays a blue square behind it. Okay, I want that to be round. And I assume I can copy the styles from my previous website. All right, let's go back to the default zoom. No, that's not what I meant to do. Okay. Right. Manually. Cool. All right, let's go back to IntelliJ. Also, I should import all of these styles from the footer module before I try to use them, so I'll just do it now. Instagram and mail. And I'll put these things to their respective places. I might just copy this and paste it like that and write Facebook in there. Okay, do the same thing for here. Yeah, for this one. Yeah, and for that one. Yeah, and for that one. No, okay. All right, so if I go back to the website, white, brownish, black, blue, and light blue. Okay, that's right. Right, so I also want to copy the styles from my previous website, so the icons will have rounded backgrounds like this when you hover over them. Also, I want these to be white. I think, well, those things will come over with the style that I have from the previous website, so I'll just copy over those things. So can I just select all of, yes. Okay, so I'll just select these from my previous website. I'll go back to IntelliJ, and I assume I could do something like this. Paste them all, and delete all the semicolons. What is this complaining about? Oh. Yeah, that should be fine. And let's take a look at Google Chrome again. All right, so the rounded backgrounds are there, but when I hover over them, the icons should stay white, but they're not staying white. Okay. Why are they changing color when I hover over them? There must be another CSS rule which says if the user hovers over them, then the color should change. So I have to override that somehow. Okay. Also, I want to listen to some music. Coldplay X and Y. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. All right. So all of them look like they're getting the same color. So they must be getting the color from somewhere. All right, let's see. Don't think so, no. Okay, maybe I can specify the hover color, like where the link is hovered. Yeah. All right, so how do you do that in Sass? I have no idea. So can you do a and hover like that, and just color like that. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I guess that fixes it. Is there something off with the backgrounds? There. Oh, okay. This doesn't look as good with white. Is this? Yeah, it's the same case in here as well. I don't like this color. Why did I put this color at the first place when I was designing this website in 2016? Anyway, so this looks like a darker shade of blue. No? Oh no, definitely no. No. Okay. So now what I want to do is I need to add padding. So let's see what the situation is on the other side. Okay, so these items do not have padding. What has padding is probably the section. Yep, so this has a padding of 25 pixels. But, maybe I could leave that stuff to the end because all of the sections probably have the same padding. And I haven't finished like moving over all of the sections, so I don't really know what to do with it. Is it the same case for this one? No, it's not. Oh, okay. Section padding 50. Okay, what's the situation with this one? Oh, so the footer has a different padding compared to all of the sections, which means I could do... it's not really a good idea, but I could probably do the same thing for my new website. So... is that no. Let's try this one, but I'm not sure if it would work or not. Well, you don't need pixels when it's 0 anyway, right? Let's see if that works. Do I have to refresh? Okay, that didn't work. All right, so let's see where we have to add the padding to. So that's the footer. All right, let's go back to IntelliJ. So where do I add this footer module? There. So the containers contain the elements, but the containers themselves should have some padding. Do I have any styles for the containers? Where is this? Okay, this is there. Cool. And the container, I assume, contain, yeah. So I should add the padding to the containers themselves rather than the elements inside, right? That makes the most sense, I suppose. All right, how do I add padding to this? Also, I don't need this anymore. Yeah, some padding there, there, also there would make the website look so much nicer. Okay, I'll add 25 pixels to the top, 25 pixels to the bottom, just like the footer that I have on the previous website. Okay. How would I do that? Okay, so I need to add a CSS file to this container, I suppose. Okay, so let's try this. Container.module.sass. And how do I use that? Yeah, that works. Go back. No. Okay, I could probably do this. Get rid of all of these things. And instead of footer, we will have container here. No. All right, body. So, did I import this file on index.js, index.sass? Yeah, I did. Okay. And now that this is imported as well, I may not need to do this. Right? And div. Not all divs, but let's try. Let's try the same thing that we did in index.sass. So copy over these, go back, and we don't need those. Well, we don't need that. We don't need that. This will be 25 pixels and 0 pixels. Well, we don't need px. Okay. Did that change? No, it didn't change anything. That's bad. Okay, so if we go back to, well, let's try assigning this to a class name. Diff padding default. And import it from there. It's not used. Okay, good. Background color, and also, oh, it doesn't work like that. Or like that. How do I assign multiple class names? I'm sure I've done this before in the same project, but I could take a look. Class name. Okay, so what I could do is something like that, and which means this is not the right way to do it, but IntelliJ will help me, right? And copy that over there. Yeah, prefer template. Yeah, so that should solve the problem, possibly, but I need a space between them. Anyway, let's see what this did. Yep, so I nuked the background colors. Yeah, I need a space between them, which is why I needed this, and then fix it. Yeah, that works. There's a space over there now, so that should return back, that should give us back the background colors, which it did. All right, cool. And we also have the paddings, right? So that works. But okay, now the problem is we have margins. Okay, we did have margins, but why did this break? Because of that? Yeah. Was this broken before we started work today? Git stash. Okay. Oh, I have to start the server again. So npm start. Okay. Yeah, we broke it today. So one of the changes that we did very recently have broken these buttons. I'm suspecting it's because of some of the changes there. That one would be the problem. Is that how you comment? Yeah, probably. Okay, let's see. Yep, that was the problem. And what happens if you... Yeah. Okay, so why does a module CSS affect Okay, that makes sense actually. Fine. How do you isolate generic elements under module.css files? Like, let's say I only want to modify the links under footer.module, but I don't want this change to happen on any of the other links that I have on the website. I don't know how to do it in React yet, but I'm sure there must be a way. But until I figure that out, I'm just gonna use the way that I know and probably assign this to a class name. Okay. It's Facebook, and it's also... So I need to add another class name to all of them, which doesn't really look nice. Okay, so I'm gonna try searching it, but I'm not sure if I will find it. Isolate generic. All right, anyway, this will be a very long read, and I'm just gonna assign them class names. Or can I just do that? That could be a solution, right? Yeah, that's a solution. Okay. This is why I like programming. There are so many solutions to so many problems. There is no single way of doing things. And I think I need to add transitions. So when you hover over one of the items, it has to transition like these ones. It just pops right now, but it doesn't have that transition effect. How did I add that in the previous website? Let's see. Okay, that must be on a higher level element. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay. So if I pasted it there. Nope. Let's see. Yeah, that fixes the problem. All right, let's bring the signature and also the dates back there. Huh. Okay, so it's going to be very similar to this one. So I'll just copy that one, paste it there, and let's see what this did. Right, okay. These fonts are the same, so I could just copy this text, actually inspect, and it's just an image. Fine. Paste it there. Fine, and now I have to retrieve that signature. Do I have an assets folder yet? I suppose I do. Data, not in the data. Well, it should be in the data, right? Okay, so I haven't copied any images inside there yet. Okay, where would I put them? There. I will probably divide them by sections later on, but what I would do now is just download that picture. Right, I don't want to show you my files. What I could do is just put it on the desktop, and from the desktop I could put it to there and add it to Git and rename it. Why did I have a capital letter at the beginning of this? Anyway, and create a new directory called images, not images, it's images. Okay, and move it there. Nice. And I should copy it. Can I just copy this? Copy as, yeah. And what if I pasted it? Yeah, it works. Okay. Name, signature, image centered. It's the source of it is vary right now. Up one, up two, no, up one and data. Okay. Data, images, and signature. That could work. What's it complaining about? Okay, yeah, closing tag for the image. Will that solve the problem? Giant C. Why? Okay, maybe I have to start the server again. Right. So that's the way. And where does this Pokeball thing come from? Okay. And how did I place it in? Like that, okay. Let's see if that makes a difference. Whoops, my keyboard is breaking apart. What? All right, that's way too big though. So it has to be height limited by 24 pixels. And also it's not August 20, okay, it's August 2019 now. It's been 3 years since I made that website, and yeah, I'm gonna change the design a little bit after I finish porting everything over. So the signature is there, okay, but I have to limit its height. And what I could do for that one is I could probably do footer image. Let's go back. What was it? How was it in here? So it's max height 24 pixels. All right, I'll do the same thing. Max height 24 pixels. And that should solve the problem. All right, I need to add one line after it. So, no, like that. And okay, I didn't know that you would require a closing tag for one of these. I feel like there's a bit more padding on the original one over there. Yeah. Oh, but that's the case with the text on the left as well. So I just need to add that. Okay. So that doesn't work. Can I do that? Yeah. That looks great. That looks exactly how I wanted it to look. And this is the footer adventures done. So I'll check every single link in here. That's my, yep, that's the correct link. That's the correct link. Yeah, that's fine. And also that's fine. All right. So this is the footer adventures done. So we've exactly replicated everything that we have on the footer section in the new React website as well. Also, it looks more centered. So yeah, I guess that's a bonus. Okay. So that's the footer adventures done, and I will probably do another stream on where I port this section over to the React website and make some final finishing touches. Also, I want to get rid of these cards, and also they don't look really good. The animation, I like the animation, but I might try to find a way to get this animation in like without having these borders and shadows. We'll see. Also, I don't really like the top part. Yeah, this needs a redesign. I like this one better. I miss my room. Okay. Yep, I think that's it. And I will probably see you in the next stream where I will continue porting over stuff. But I'm very happy with the footer and how it turned out. And I don't know how long it's been. Let me quickly check how long it's been. So it's been 32 minutes now. And we've finished it in 32 minutes, which I'm very happy about. All right, I'll take a break and I'll probably do another stream today. If not today, sometime later. I don't know, whenever I have some free time. But yeah, I'm happy with the progress. All right, bye.